Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Gaming T-Rex on the Run. We're playing God of War, and the last time the game kind of bugged out when I tried to save Atreus, or is his nickname Boy. Boy?
You will listen to me and not speak a word. I am your father.
That's impossible!
Search your feelings, you know.
And you, boy, are not yourself. You are too quick to temper. You are rash, insubordinate, and out of control. This will not stand.
Okay.
You will honor your mother and abandon this path you have chosen.
Do it, boy.
It's not too late. This discussion is far from over. We are here because of you, boy.
Think
Never
about
forget that.
Think of what you've done, boy. Atreus. Oh, it's an XP. What can I use that for? That.
Wow, it's cold. This is hell?
Not just hell. Worst place in hell you could have put us.
I see a ship.
Get us there. It only takes us halfway to Tyr's temple, but at least it gets us far from here.
Indeed.
For 1,000 mortal lifetimes, the bridgekeeper kept the living out of this place. But now that you've ripped his heart out, here we are. Funny how it all comes around.
Ah, not these guys. I hate steel guys.
Boy,
That wasn't me.
Oh. Oh, I can't wait. Aha. You okay, boy? Okay, what's the point of that? Oh. I see now. Ah, damn it.
What is it? Oh, we're gods. We can do whatever we want.
turn away, boy.
It's a flashback of what had happened.
That's what I said to your mother, right before I gave.
Oh dear.
There's
Only
a
because of
blue.
blood.
I couldn't have done that.
Do not dwell on those thoughts. Not here. We must keep moving.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, it's up. It's up. Okay.
Ed, what was that?
Not just the old and sick come to Helheim, so do the criminals. Hell
Ah.
must not draw a distinction between us and those whom these visions are meant to torture.
How do we stop it?
Escape hell as
Cool.
soon as possible.
I'm not gonna let it bother me. Like you said, Amir, it was just an illusion. I wasn't me.
No. But it is who you have become of late.
I know I gotta send it.
Are you sure?
I will get us out. You will follow orders. It had better be. Now
How
let
about-
me focus.
Don't open sesame. Wait, sesame or sesame? Oh dear.
What do we do with that?
We will show it to the dwarves.
Hey! New activity. Maybe this way? We're going to saw this way, so that's what we're going to see it first.
Wait, I think I see Vader up ahead.
Oh, really? We'll have a look around, see what's here. That did nothing, great. Ah, gee. Hey, wait a minute. Over here. Wee. And open sesame. There we go. Whatever that is. Oh man. Didn't even see the axe. Didn't see the axe coming along.
No. No, I would never have done this. You had no right.
I have every right. I am your mother.
I had no right, Rich. I can't taste. I can't smell. I can't even feel the temperature of this room. Feasting, drinking, women. It's all gone.
You never
Gone.
feel pain again. Death has no power over you now. You would rather die?
Feel again? Yes. Take it away. I can't. Please. Please. Please take it away.
Like that. In time.
Okay, interesting stuff with Boulder going on here. Oh, stop again.
No. Yeah. I won't. Come on. Ruin my life.
Honey, we can figure this out. I promise. Trust me. I know how to.
Oh dear.
Do it! Do it! Come on!
Oh, stop again.
Cow.
Is he talking about himself or something?
I never want to see you again. Never.
Freya is his mother. Why did you keep this from us, Ed?
Would you believe it slipped my mind?
I would not.
I'm at a loss. I assure you have no reason to keep such a thing a secret.
There's the boat. We will speak more of this soon.
going through it. And the train appears to be nowhere in sight. There we go. Some stuff I don't really care. But okay. Anyway, don't need the axe because it's a frozen land here, so. Oh no. Something like that. Let's let these stuff before all disappears. Boom, pow, bam, bado, bado.
Such chaos. I will have much to do after I kill you.
What the f is that?
We must hurry.
I wonder what that was all about.
Not entirely sure this is Sheila thing. She will do.
Okay.
Give me space to work.
Yeah, boy, give me space to work.
You have done enough.
Great. Just bear in mind this boat can only take us part of the way. Tyr's temple is near the top of a tremendous waterfall, which, sadly, we are downstream. That means even if we get there intact, we'd still need to sail up a waterfall somehow.
The greatest ship that ever was, and it can fly.
It was, dear. Yeah, because it was designed to fly. This was not.
Nevertheless, this is the boat we have.
Ah, great, we're like the Titanic now.
Or perhaps the biggest iceberg I've ever seen.
At least the fire's making it. What now?
This. Whatever it is. Oh, got a truck.
Just watch.
Watch this.
They're pulling the sails down? But how are they going to catch the wind? We're floating! The heat from the fire! We're actually floating!
Huh? Ah, great.
Not for long. Stay with the boat.
Ooh, treasure chest. Next item. Ooh. Look at that. Uh-huh. Okay, so now this.
Wait for me there.
Get away from me, boys.
Atreus,
I can help?
Yes.
together now.
I'll go press it. Okay,
We did it.
Fly again.
We're free. We are going to get out of here.
Face me, Father. It is time to end this.
Yes, my son. It is time.
No,
It's that voice again. Do you know who that is?
I do not know.
That sounded a little like one of the voices sounded like Kratos. Kratos.
Hold on!
Wait, what? Did he just go flying or something? No, you don't. Wait, what? Trying to put out the fires? No. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Day 2 of recording. The enemies. Where are the enemies? There's one. Boom. Bam. Pop. Oh no. Another one of these. Oh no. What do you... Kill him. Fire! No! Oh, hello. You're all dead now. Oh, still some more. Aha! Found ya! Whee! Ah! What's on such a weak enemy and do something terrifying? Boom! You're dead. And you're gonna stay dead. Anyway. There's a bird. It has 4 wings. Incredible. Oh, that's right. Push it off. Yeah. Oh, spooky bird.
How long before we reach the temple?
Yeah, crazy.
As long as we maintain this speed and those fires don't go out, we should be there in no time, lad.
Good. Ah, damn it. Hello. Oh no. Restart the fire. Money. Boom. Bam. Yeah. I gotta look out for one of them. Just gotta do this quickly. Boom. Ah! Nice, 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 no, 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 no. Come on, die, die, die! Yeah! Stop trying to make everything harder! I did it! Oh no, I didn't. There we go. Oh no. Defend this side! Okay, got this quickly. And there we go. Oh, damn it. Push it off and yeah. No, gun. Ah, no. Whee. Yeah. Why won't you die? Why is everything going down? Ah! Gotcha! Oh, there's a big bird. Oh, gotta press it. Whee! Yay! Finally, we're free. Can I hit the bird? Ah! So what is that supposed to be anyway?
Would you believe magic?
Well, we lost the axe now, so whatever. Okay, it seems like we're all good. Okay, die. Yeah! No, oh dear. Come on, fire, 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 and we're good. Don't, no you don't. No. Ah. Ah, no. Ah! Oh, here we go. Boom! Boom, and you're dead. But the only way we can is by defeating all the enemies. Because that's the only way to interact with it. Oh no, the fight nearly out today. We select this, and this, this. I'll get over there. Okay. Do I press anything? Oh wait, there we go. Come on. Come on, come on, and there we go. I guess that's the end of that chapter, eh?
It is time, my son.
Wait, what?
Look around at what you have done.
Who the hell is that? It's like house blades. Wait, is that meant to be Kratos? Wait, is that Zeus? Oh, we're in first person perspective. Whoa. The violence.
Come on, we gotta go.
You saw.
There's no time. Look.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna crash. We're all gonna die. I thought those were destroyed.
I have a plan. Jump.
Wow. Epic.
That was your plan! You're both cracked!
We are leaving this realm. Now.
As long as we didn't wreck our way back.
Well, we did make a whole new temple, but...
I think this is where Odin brought all his best clues about Jotunheim.
Okay, I don't know why he put it in hell. But, okay. Ooh, what's this? Nothing there, wait. Talisman? No. Enchantment? Okay. Here we go. gotta go through this. One. Oh, there we go. Open the doors.
This is Odin's. I'd recognise his atrocious taste anywhere.
Okay.
Look at that! It's the missing panel about here.
Ooh.
Odin must have stolen it. But why?
Yeah, but why?
He always has his reasons. Might I have a look? Well, this is most unexpected.
Why? What does it mean?
I haven't the foggiest. Isn't that unexpected?
Huh.
Look, clearly that's Tyr. Travelling somehow. Perhaps magically. But what's that to do with the giants that they should devote a shrine to it? I'm afraid that is none too clear.
What are those runes in the corners?
Not runes. Symbols from different lands.
Ooh.
They mean war. Aye.
How do you...
War?
This one I know too well.
Ah, the Greek symbol for
Oh.
war.
His eyes. They are jewels. Like yours.
No doubt signifying the gift of sight the giants granted us. Give me a closer look. Interesting. Very interesting.
What is that?
Secret plans concealed by Tyr so none could access but him.
Ah.
And those few others the giants trusted. And right under Odin's nose, ho ho ho! I did promise I'd get you to Jotunheim.
What do you mean, Ed? You said we were out of options.
Huh.
Don't you see, brother? Odin never gave up hope, and neither should we. He knew there was a clue in here, but we're the ones who found it. These plans are for a key to some chamber Tyr's kept hidden. I don't know where it's leading or what we'll find, but it's a path.
Yeah.
How do we make this key?
I suggest we ask a dwarf.
Ah, I see a dwarf.
That symbol on the temple door. It's a bunch of runes together. Peace, unity, hope, other things too.
Tyr's own design. He made this door himself.
Hang on a minute. Let's see what skills are there to get. Okay, I do those during break. Yeah.
Boy. Before. When you saw.
I didn't see anything.
What?
You did not see me with someone. An old man.
What old man? Can we go?
Yes. Very well.
Okay, so
Right, let's get back to Midgard and see about making that key. Where's that dwarf?
in the Midgard area. Travel and
Now, Ed. Why did you not tell us Balder is the son of Freya?
He is. It's shocking every time I hear it, and yet obviously I know it. When I think about Balder and Freya...
Mayor?
Yes, lad.
Freya.
How's that, brother?
Ed. Tell me Balder's vulnerability.
Balder is blessed with invulnerability to all threats, physical or magical.
Wait, what is happening?
He is bewitched not to speak of what he knows.
I am? Oh, that's it precisely. I wonder how long that's been so. Since she had my head at her mercy, or back when I figured out Balder's weakness.
Come here.
Yes, lad.
You just said you figured out Balder's weakness.
wait, what?
Did I? But Balder is blessed with invulnerability to all threats, physical or magical.
Enough. This means there is a way. If he troubles us again, We will find it.
Wait. Boulder has a weakness? Ah, I see. Anyways, bye-bye.